In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Autopay on eBay. Whether you are managing your buyer requirements or simply want more control over your payments, knowing how to disable Autopay can be very handy. So, let's dive straight into the steps to get you set up securely and with peace of mind. First things first, head over to ebay.com and sign into your account. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on that and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your eBay homepage. Next, from the homepage, find the top navigation bar. You'll see several options like Home, Deals, Help and Contact, and more. Look for Selling in this list, as this is where you manage your seller settings. Click on Selling to go to the Selling Overview page. This page is a hub of your selling activities, and it's where you can adjust settings related to how you manage your transactions. Now, on the left side of the Selling Overview page, you'll see a list of additional options. Among these, look for Block Bidders, which allows you to set specific rules for blocking certain buyers. Click on Block Bidders to open this section. This is a helpful tool for preventing any unwanted buyers from making purchases if you've encountered issues with them in the past. Once you're in the Block Bidders section, scroll down until you find the Buyer Rules area. Here you'll see various settings related to buyer behavior and how you handle transactions. In this section, you will notice two options that relate to Autopay settings. Carefully uncheck both of these options. These selections typically involve whether certain buyer restrictions are in place automatically. By unchecking them, you'll remove the automatic settings. After you've unchecked those options, it's important to remember to save your changes. This final step ensures that your new settings are locked in and activated. Look for the Save Changes button, usually located towards the bottom of the page. Give it a click and you'll have successfully turned off the Autopay options, updating your preferences to better fit your selling needs. And there you have it. You've now turned off Autopay on eBay, allowing you to have more direct control over your transactions. Remember, if you ever need to revert back or adjust other settings, you can follow similar steps to access eBay's comprehensive overview and make adjustments. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in managing your eBay account more effectively.